If you're watching this video, then you should already be a member of our free money-making WhatsApp group. If you haven't joined yet, click the link below and get yourself access. If you've already done that, then you're in, you've made it. You're so close to making profits now, and the fact that you're in the group means most of the work is already done. Great job. So let me walk you through what you can expect and show you what to do next. Your first stage is to click the link at the top of the group and read the group description. Don't forget as well that there is a link to access our track record of alerts over the last 7 days and over the last month, so you can see the profit that you would have made if you would have followed our Arb Alerts. Once you're in this group, you'll have 7 days free access to see if it's for you. And if you like it, which I hope you will, and if you've made a lot of profit, which I'm sure you will, you'll have the option to upgrade to our VIP group to continue getting profitable alerts. So what does an Arb Alert look like? It looks something like this. Contained in this small message is everything you need to know to make money from Arb Shooters. And in my next video, you're going to learn exactly how to read these and what to do with them in order to make a profit. So click the link on the screen now to be taken straight to that video.